Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on the application of Truecaller. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, you will search about Truecaller and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage, then you will click on clear cache, then you will go to Play Store. As you see, we search about the application of Truecaller, and then here you will search about Truecaller and you will update your app if you